Want a smoother and more glowing skin? Look no further. Hello everyone, welcome back to Zevaulia. It's time for me to share another recipe. This will be a series of beauty juices for you to try at home. Here's the first. Here's all you need. Take note.
Would have no life, and someone else would find your beauty newly mine. Tiptoe, nose down.
Peel the skin off the carrots and chop its ends. I love carrots because it's a source of beta-carotene, fiber, vitamin K, and potassium.
I think that you
Chop the cucumbers in half. You only need a half. Cucumbers are low in calories, it promotes hydration, and it contains antioxidants too. Slice the lemon in half. You also only need half a lemon. Don't forget to slice the lemon skin off before putting it in the machine. Lemons are a source of vitamin C, antibacterial, and it is a great detoxifying agent. To give a unique warm twist, let's throw in a thumb-sized ginger. Ginger is a source of gingerol that is anti-inflammatory. It reduces muscle pain and regulates blood sugars. I love oranges. Let's use the navel kind. You could also use Valencia oranges if you like. Slice the orange into smaller pieces before putting it in the juicer. Oranges are a source of vitamin C, it lowers cholesterol, prevents skin damage, and has various phytonutrients. Here I am using apel Malang or Malang apple. Its origins are from the city of Malang in Indonesia. It has a tangy, sweet, sour taste. Apples are a source of vitamin C. The skin is high and rich in polyphenols, and it's also high in fiber. Now, put all the chopped ingredients in a juicer. You can also use a blender, but a juicer is highly recommended. Last but not least, add 1 tablespoon of honey for an added sweetness. Voila! Beauty juice number 1, Skin Glow Up by Zevaulia. This is 100% juice and serves 1 tall glass. It can also serve 2 medium glasses, but personally it is more satisfying to drink this all to yourself. Haha. You can also mix with water to fit more servings, but of course it won't be 100% juice anymore. But whichever way, it will still be delicious and healthy for you. Drink it while it's fresh.
Let you out my sight, 'cause then I would have no life.
Feel gorgeous
And
inside and out.
someone else would find your beauty.